Today I am going to show how you to get group link from the website. Sometime we need to join any group. As businessman, we need some information, and if I can join with a group, then I can get group member information by that group. That's why we need to join some group. But how we can join this group, that is the important. So if I get the link from anywhere, that I can join by that link. So that's why we need some link, and that help me our software. If you use our Easy Center software, then you can get the group link from the website. And how you can get the group link from website, that will I show you how it could be. So if you think that you need the group link from the website, so you have to be use our software Easy Center. Okay, now I going to open our software. Okay, if I want to open, so I had to hit this icon, the software icon, hit this icon, and the software will be open. Now the software is open. Okay, and we are going now, we know the here is the setting, and if we click in here, so we can see the full feature. Here the second option, grab WhatsApp group link from web, and this is the tool. If I use this tool, then I can get the group link from the website. So if you want to use this tool, then you have to be hit the grab now. If you hit the grab now, then a window appear. Two options are there. One, open browser, and second, start grabbing. So just I hit the grab now. When I hit the grab now, this window appear. So here I see the two options, open browser and start grabbing. First I hit the open browser. When I hit the open browser, my computer or my browser. So you can change it in English and give it full size, and here in the address bar you write what do you want to know. So here I want to know, though I'm using the software for the businessman, so I write down my key will be a business, BUSINE business group, GROUP business group link. Okay, just if I click, so here many information come here. Here is new business idea group, WhatsApp group. So I just entry this group. Okay, and I just minimize this window and come in my software. When I come in software, and now I start grabbing. When I hit the start grabbing, it work. Okay, now it is, the file is ready. So I just edit the name group, GRO group link, and I save it my window desktop window folder 2. Okay, just save it. Okay, when I save it, it saved. So now I see how the Excel file is. Okay, open the folder desktop and group folder 2 and group link. When you click on the group link, you see the link. Okay, here the link is. Okay, close this. Okay, now see, these are the group. I get almost 140 group link. Okay, these are the group link. So now I will join this any of group. If I join all the group, so it will be a big community. You can got the information. So if you get this link, so you just choose which link do you want to join. So like I just join this one, and this one, this group. I will join this group, right? No, but in this way you can collect the group link from the web. Okay, now you can join this group link You know now how to join this group. I will show you next. Thank you very much.